Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a magic stardust particle trail in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Stardust plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new null object. Make sure that you are on the first frame. Press P for position and keyframe, and I'll start from here. I'll open grid. Okay, now go few frames and your null object. Again, few frames, and I'll go to tools and I'll choose convert tools. Yeah, again, few frames, go to selection, frames, selection, last one. Yeah. Okay, not bad. Okay, so now I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it star dust, and go to effects and presets and type star. Okay, double click or drag and drop, and yeah. Okay, so now let me go to stardust layer and open it, effect, emitter, and I'll go to orient XY. I'll click and go here and parent this with position null object and see. Okay, so now let me add some settings here. So I'll go to emitter, go to particles per second, and I'll add 2 zeros. And I'll go to speed, I'll change it to 30. Then I'll go to particle, life per seconds, I'll change it to 6. And open particle properties and I'll change size to 2. Okay. Yes. Let me fix this. Yeah. Okay. So now go to Stardust again and I'll go to particle. Then I'll go to overlay, size, presets, and I'll choose this one and apply. Again, I'll go to opacity, presets, and I'll choose this one and apply. Then I want to color it, so I'll go to particle color, color of a life, open color gradient, choose your colors. Okay. Also, I'll go to emitter and speed over life. change linear to Bezier. Yeah. Okay, not bad. Okay, so now I'll go to turbulence and I'll parent turbulence with particle. Then I'll go to the position offset, increase it, maybe to 60 or yeah, and also scale or noise scale. I'll increase it to something like okay. This is okay for me. And also levels, change it to 2 and see. Okay, so now I want to add some particles here, so I'll go to emitter and control D to copy. Okay, then I'll go to particle, parent with, yeah, with emitter 2. So I'll go to emitter 2 and I'll change particles per seconds to, let me remove 0 and I'll go to particle, properties and size, change size to 3 or yeah, and I'll go to emitter again, speed, let me increase speed and speed random. Okay, and let me change these colors. So I'll go to particles, solid color to color of a life, open color gradient, and I'll choose my colors. Again, I'll go to emitter, speed 70 to be good. Okay, so now I'll go to effect, stylize and glow. Okay, and I'll go to glow threshold, change it to 80 and increase radius. And also I'll go to effect, color correction and curves. RGB, I'll create curves here, curve here and here. Also I'll go to alpha. Yeah, increase it. And I'll add a background. Down, go to effect, gradient, and for color gradient and choose your colors. Something like this. And also if you want to add a emitter and particle and parent and go to point, set point to box and I'll go to particle, size, change size to 3. Then I'll go to emitter. Okay. Speed, I'll change speed to 0. Okay. And I'll go size X, Y, and Z. I'll increase it. Change it to 1000. Add another 0. Yeah. Then I'll go to particle and choose your color gradient. Yeah. And I'll go to particle, change it to 2. Yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.